From the engineering studies, I didn't want something office-based following from that. I wanted something a bit more fast-paced. I wanted something challenging. And with the diversity of work we got at Kaizen, that corresponded well to it.
I didn't want to pursue engineering as a career, so I started thinking, what do I enjoy to do in life? And travelling's a thing that I really enjoy to do. So when I was looking for jobs, I found Kaizen, and a massive part about Kaizen is that there's the travelling aspect to it.
And I realised I really aligned with its cultures and its beliefs and the sort of whole Kaizen continuous improvement ethos, and it just really clicked with what I wanted to do.
Within the first 3 months of being at Kaizen, I was engaging with senior management. I was leading workshops of more than 15 people, which at times can be stressful, but this approach is designed to accelerate your growth. And we have a full support network behind you.
In previous experiences, I've just been given a bit of slides or some content and been expected to learn it. At Kaizen, you're obviously with clients every day, doing different projects, and you're just growing from that and learning every day.
So I've gone from the after-sales market in the automotive industry, discrete production from safes and vaults to construction equipment, supply chain, whether that's healthcare, but also healthcare in the production of medical equipment.
And then also to automated supermarkets. So a wide range of projects. Also, I've had the opportunity to travel abroad, so to Norway, and I also spent roughly 8 months in the Netherlands working on a project. So you're given plenty of opportunities right from the get-go at Kaizen.
And then more recently been working in the environmental side of things on the ESG and building sort of frameworks for companies to use. And as a first year sort of consultant, I've actually had the privilege to actually work alongside the team developing this. And so that's again testament to sort of what you can get involved in as a consultant.
In the UK as well, we have a massive opportunity for growth, which is very appealing. And on the social side, we've done quite a few events as a team. We've had a couple weekends skiing. We've been to the Douro Valley in Portugal.
Kaizen puts such a focus on personal development, so developing both professionally and personally. So yeah, they are two of the things which I like most about being a Kaizen consultant.
Another thing that I really noticed when I'm talking to my peers from my university cohort is how much more advanced my learning path has been. And I think this is just testament to the diversity of work, like I mentioned, but then also just the intensity, and it's a challenging job, which we all know, and you'll hear, but that's also one of its best positives.
There can be some difficult clients because obviously it involves a lot of change management, and everyone's got a story about a challenging client they've worked with, but it all contributes to the fast-paced learning.
Personally, the biggest challenge for me was adapting to the intensity of travel. So you're on the roads every day of the week, which can be difficult at times, but the satisfaction derived from delivering a project and exceeding the results that were set out at the start of the project is second to none. Go for it, because from my experience in Kaizen, the growth is exponential.
Make sure you do your research, find out all the pros and cons, make sure it's definitely what you want to do, and when you're confident it is, then go for it.
For me, my one word of advice would just be enthusiastic. I mean, all of us come from a lot of different sort of university degrees and stuff, but we all have a place and an opportunity to add something unique to the business, which I find really cool.